This place made Champion spark plugs and Champion bricks. A lot of people don't know that they had Champion bricks. The same guys that made the spark plugs made the bricks. They bought and they made them here. Champion bricks. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Yep.
All right, so we're here at the iron factory. They used to make iron. It means they had a lot of furnaces going, very hot, and they made it so the iron was really strong. Apparently, 100 years later, they're now having weddings here, and I guess if you come here, if you want to have a marriage, it's going to be industrial strength, able to stand through the fire, be strong for a long time. Come on to the Sloss. We'll fix you up right.
And for the cowboys, come on to the Sloss house.
Come on to the Sloss house. It's interesting. They used to actually breed sloths here, and from young babies they would take care of them. But the young boy in the family, he had a reverse speech impediment. So instead of being able to, he couldn't say sloth. Every time he would say Sloss. And so it was the weirdest thing, a reverse speech impediment. But anyway, so they were like, that's cute. He calls them Sloss instead of sloths. And there you go, the Sloss factory.
So things move pretty slow around here.
They do, they really do, especially now.
Some truth to that. This seems like something from a movie right here. I don't think there's much else to see. Except for this restricted area. Imagine, did you see all the plumbing? I mean, do you know what it took to make that thing?
How to design it so it would work.
I don't know.
Yeah, how do they know they needed that many fittings or that many ports or valves?
I mean, it's like, I think that thing must have had water in it. And those are steam things to create heat. I don't know. I don't know, really. I can't look at it and tell how it works. Giant piece of metal. They've even got some aluminum in here. Miller Lite, Pabst Blue Ribbon, aluminum and not even close.
I'm at a sloss of what to say. I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm just at a sloss of words.
We're just at a sloss of words.
I could go for a slossy right now, though.
Yeah, you know, they changed it to slushy. His brother didn't like Sloss. He liked slush.
True. Monetize that. Hey, here's some of that floss.
It's what?
That's Alabama floss right there.
You heard it from the horse's mouth.